Good morning, students. Today I am going to discuss with you the practical problems of union and intersection. This is a very important topic, and you can say that this is the conclusion of the entire chapter. If you are able to solve the questions of practical problems, that means the topic set is clear to you. Before going into the depth, I am going to discuss with you the formulas, how the formulas has come and how you can understand well these formulas with the help of Venn diagram. Fine. See, this is the set A. This circle which is shaded, this is a set A and this is a set B. There is some common portion between A and B which is denoted by A intersection B. That means this is a common thing between A. Now this entire circle where I am putting my red pen, this entire circle contributes A, and this portion is also the part of B. So if I eliminate this portion from this entire A, only this red shaded portion becomes. This is the only remaining with us, only the red shaded portion. I can write it as a only A. Only A means it will constitute only the element of A, neither B nor anything else will be the part of this. That means ये इसमें है क्या, सिर्फ A है और कोई सेट का कोई एलिमेंट नहीं है. अगर मैं पूरा जोड़ दूं तो उसमें क्या होगा कि B का भी कोई पोर्शन आ जाएगा, तो फिर ये ओनली A नहीं रहेगा, ये क्या रहेगा फिर A. देयर इज अ डिफरेंस बिटवीन A एंड देयर इज अ डिफरेंस बिटवीन ओनली A. ओनली A मीन्स कि जो रेड शेड के साथ है, जिसमें सिर्फ A है और कुछ नहीं है. So I can write it as a only A, or I can write as a A minus B. That means element of A which are not in B. A के वो element जो B में नहीं है, और A intersection B complement. That means if this is a B complement means elements which are not the part of B. That are the only these elements which are not the part of B. So A intersection B complement, I can also write it like this. In the same way, this portion which is shaded with a green line, this is only B, or B minus A. That means element of B which are not the part of A. That means only B, or B intersection A complement. Clear? So please try to understand this. Now see, again which I have explained, I am going to write that only. There is a difference between only A and A. Only A means no other elements of any set be the part of A. A means A के तो एलिमेंट आएंगे, किसी और के भी इसमें आ सकते हैं. Now, if I combine the entire thing, A union B means कि element of A and element of B, तो वो क्या बनेंगे, ये देखिए. पहले मैं क्या करूंगा, only A mean only red portion प्लस जो कॉमन है वो प्लस ओनली बी. अगर मैं तीनों को इकट्ठा कर दूं तो ये क्या बन जाएगा, ए यूनियन बी. वी नो दैट इन केस ऑफ यूनियन रेपिटेशन ऑफ सेट इज नॉट इंक्लूडेड. सो हम इसमें रेपिटेशन एलिमेंट की नहीं करेंगे, इसको हम एक बार ही लेंगे. ये देखो, ओनली ए फिर ये. दिस इज द बेस फॉर्मूला टू सॉल्व द प्रैक्टिकल प्रॉब्लम्स ऑफ सेट. दैट मीन्स ओनली ए प्लस इंटरसेक्शन, दैट मीन्स कॉमन एलिमेंट बिटवीन बोथ द सेट्स प्लस ओनली बी. अगर मैं सबको मिला दूं तो क्या बन जाएगा, ए यूनियन बी. इज इट क्लियर? नाउ वी विल सॉल्व द क्वेश्चन बेस्ड ऑन दिस. Example 23 of NCERT. What he is saying in example 23, he is saying if X and Y are the two sets, there are two sets, one is X and second is Y. X and Y are the two sets such that X union Y has 50 elements. That means total element number, cardinal number of X union Y is 50. Total elements are 50. X has 28 elements, Y has 32 elements. I have to find out how many elements which are common. That means between X and Y, how many elements are common. Now see, first I will draw the Venn diagram. I have drawn X, I have drawn Y, and I have taken the common portion as P. Let cardinal number of X intersection Y is equal to P. अच्छा, I have to find out the value of P. अब जरा ध्यान देना, टोटल एक्स हमारे पास कितना दे रखा है, टोटल एक्स 28. तो ओनली एक्स कितना हो गया, अगर मैं टोटल में से कॉमन माइनस कर दूं तो ओनली एक्स कितना हो गया, 28 माइनस पी. ओके, पूरे का पूरा y कितना दे रखा है, 32. पूरे का y है हमारे पास 32. अगर p में माइनस कर दूं टोटल y में से तो क्या बन जाएगा, ओनली y बन जाएगा 32 माइनस p। अच्छा, इन सबको मैं इकट्ठा कर दूं तो वो क्या बन जाएगा, x यूनियन y। इन सबको इकट्ठा कर दूं, अभी हमने ऊपर फॉर्मूला किया, तो x यूनियन y किसके बराबर हो गया, ओनली x प्लस x इंटरसेक्शन y प्लस ओनली y, दैट मीन्स ओनली x कॉमन ओनली y। I am going to substitute the values. X union y, this is given me 50, I have put 50. Only x 28 minus p plus common portion p, only y 32 minus p, p goes with p, ultimately the value of p is 10. So that means n of x intersection y is equal to p, so n of x intersection y is equal to 10. So 10 elements are there which are common. Clear? So direct application of the formula. Now example 24 of NCERT, very simple. In a school there are 20 teachers who teach maths, so n of math 12. In a school there are 20 teachers who teach maths or physics. Acha, okay, maths or physics, or mean union, or mean union, and means intersection. So number of maths union p, this is 20, and maths intersection me, that means कि teachers who are common for maths and physics, जो maths भी पढ़ा सकते हैं physics भी पढ़ा सकते हैं, वो कितने हैं, 4 हैं, ये given है। अच्छा, and number of teachers who can teach maths, it is given 12. What you have to find, number of teachers who can teach physics, जो physics पढ़ाएं, सिर्फ physics नहीं, जो physics पढ़ाएं, physics के साथ कोई और भी subject वो पढ़ा सकते हैं। Clear? So now see, this is the circle which represents maths, this is the circle which represents physics, and this is the common portion. That means common portion, he has given us that maths intersection physics, he has given 4, I have put 4. Now number of people who can teach maths or physics 20, that means union is given, number of people who can teach maths 12. So this is the total maths people which are 12. Only maths will be 12 minus common, that means 8 people can teach only maths. Okay, if total number of people who can teach physics is y, तो only physics, that means y minus 4, common minus कर दिया, तो इसका सबका unite करके कितना बन गया, 20. He has given us the union is 20. So n of m union p is equal to only maths, that means ये portion plus common plus only physics, only maths, common and only physics. Only maths how many, 8. Physics and maths 4, and only physics y minus 4. So after solving, the value of y is 12. So number of people who can teach physics, that means 12. That means this complete circle gives us the number 12. Now come to the next example, example 25 of NCERT. In this example, please try to see almost the same thing. In a class 35 students, 24 like to play cricket. Total number of students 35, 20 n of c, that means cricket 24, 16 like to play football, n of football 16. Also each student like to play at least 1 or 2 games. हर कोई बच्चा जो है कोई ना कोई गेम वो खेल रहा है, उसने दे रखा है हमें. How many students like to play both cricket and football? Number of students cricket and football जो दोनों खेलते हैं, that we have to find out. Clear? Now one circle gives cricket, second circle gives football. This is the common portion. I am going to take it as a P. Okay. Number of students who play cricket 24. So only cricket 24 minus P. C total में से मैंने ये कॉमन माइनस कर दिया, तो ये मेरे पास ओनली क्रिकेट पोर्शन आ गया. Number of students who can only play football 16 minus P. Total students 35, that means union he has given me as a 35. So just I haven't applied the formula. Total union is equal to only C plus common plus only F. After solving, I got the value P is equal to 5. That means total number of students which are common for cricket and football, those are 5. Come to the next example 26. थोड़ी सी डिफरेंट है, इसको थोड़ा सा ध्यान से देखना है हमको. In this example, what we have to see, he is saying in a survey 400 students in a school, total students in a school are 400. 100 were listed taking apple juice. Number of people who is taking A for apple juice, number of people who are taking apple juice 100, number of people who are taking orange juice 150, number of people who are taking apple and orange both common, that means 75. I have to find out number of students who neither take apple nor take juice. ना तो वो एप्पल जूस पीते हैं ना वो ऑरेंज जूस पीते हैं, ऐसे बच्चे हमको निकालने हैं। तो वो कैसे होगा? अब देखो, पहले मैं क्या करूंगा, अब टोटल बच्चे तो मेरे पास पड़े हैं, पहले मैं क्या करूंगा, इनमें से निकालूंगा वो बच्चे जो जूस पीते हैं, उसमें वो टोटल में से माइनस कर दूंगा, तो कौन से बच्चे आ जाएंगे जो जूस नहीं पीते हैं। क्लियर? माय कोर्स ऑफ एक्शन इज आई विल फाइंड आउट नंबर ऑफ पीपल हु डोंट ड्रिंक एनी जूस। क्लियर? नाउ this is A, that means number of people who take juice, that means 100, and common portion are 75, so only A is 100 minus 75. Okay, number of people take orange juice 150. Clear? So common portion are 75, so only orange juice is 150 minus 75. Clear? So this complete union, that means एप्पल एंड ऑरेंज दोनों जो जूस पीते हैं बच्चे, वो किसके बराबर हो गया? एन ऑफ ओनली ए प्लस कॉमन प्लस ओनली ओ। आई हैव सब्स्टिट्यूटेड द वैल्यू, दिस इज 175. सो 175 स्टूडेंट्स आर दो स्टूडेंट्स हु ड्रिंक जूसेस. सो हाउ मेनी स्टूडेंट्स हु डोंट ड्रिंक जूसेस? Total number of students minus number of students who drink juice. So total number of students are with me 400. So 400 minus number of students who drink juice 175 minus this is equal to 225. So these are the students who don't take any juice. Now the last example is there are 200 individuals with skin disorder. The total number of students with skin disorder is 200. Number of students with C1 skin disorder with C1 chemical 1 to 120. Number of students with C2 chemical skin disorder 50. Number of students with both kind of skin disorder 30. With both the chemical 30. So I have to find out number one only C1. अब सबसे पहले देखिए, ये टोटल C1 कितना है 120, ये टोटल C2 कितना है 50, कॉमन पोर्शन कितना है 30. तो अगर टोटल C1 में से मैं 30 माइनस कर दिया, 120 माइनस 30, दिस इज इक्वल टू 90. दीज आर द स्टूडेंट्स विच इज सफर्ड विद ओनली केमिकल C1. ठीक है, तो C1 माइनस C2 इज इक्वल टू ओनली C1, द एलिमेंट ऑफ C1 विच आर नॉट द पार्ट ऑफ C2. दिस इज 90. Now I want to find out the chemical students which is suffered with only chemical C2. Now C2 is 50, common is 30. 50 minus 30 which is equal to 20. That means C2 minus C1 is equal to only C2 which is 20. Now next we have to find out the union of both of these. Clear? So union of both of these means only C1 common and only C2. When I add the 3, 140, these are the number of students who is suffered from both chemical C1 and C2. Clear? Now please finish exercise 1.6. Please see the video at least twice so that you can understand the concept broadly and then solve the examples at your own, then start the exercise. Thank you.